Yes, please proceed.
Thank you, sir. Good evening to a respected teacher and to all our new batchmates of 2024. My name is Vanshika, and I welcome you all in our today's geography's orientation session on the behalf of Diya Delhi team by our most respected and experienced faculty, Sandeep Mahajan sir. Sir belongs to Karnataka and he has done his master's in international relations from SAARC University. Sir is a gold medalist among 8 countries. Sir has started teaching in Byju's and Sir has teaching experience of more than 10 years. His domain areas are geography, environment, and international relations. Also, his way of teaching and explanation is exceptional. We are really glad to have Sir here with us today. Without any further delay, let us start today's session with the positive quote that says, those who do not remember the past are condemned to repeat it. So, my dear friends, do not live in your past, but learn from it. Grow every time you make a mistake. Every mistake is a chance to grow, to learn, and compete yourself to become a better person. So, one day you will be unbeatable. Thank you, everyone, and over to you, sir, now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Hi, all. So, welcome to Sambhavam. I know, on Sunday, if you people are spending time, I can understand the seriousness of you. So, yes, I hope we are meeting for the first time. Uh, Guys, if I just want to tell you the way Sambhavam conducts the classes and the amount of freedom that faculties we enjoy at Sambhavam, they give us enough time and classes to ensure that each and every topic is cleared with greater detail. Even after that, they keep on asking us, sir, if there is any current affairs sessions, if there is anything, please do. So this freedom we normally won't get in other places where they tell us some limited amount of time and ask us to complete in that. So I'm just sharing this with you to get a clarity for all of you that please trust the faculties, whoever is teaching you, because they have searched the best in the market, and whoever will do justice to the students are given highest priorities. Uh, First basic aspect that is expected from all of you is see, attend classes regularly. Okay, first attend classes regularly. If you have not attended previous classes, I repeat, if you have not attended previous classes, don't join live sessions in the next classes, whichever subject it is, because every faculty will be maintaining a flow and they will be ensuring that you people understand it in a systematic manner. Now, if you attend my first 2 classes and you had some work, you went, and after 5, 6 classes, if you come and join, you won't be able to understand the class and you will be the one who will lose. So make a proper plan of this and ensure that you are attending the classes almost every day whenever the sessions are there. Every book, every subject should be done in a systematic manner. For example, if you are attending geography classes, okay, so what is my expectation from you? One, class notes must be there with you. By the time we do, you will almost fill 200 pages class notes. You should have pens. of different colors. In exam, you don't have this, guys. You can use only blue and black. But in the class notes, you can use pen of different colors, at least blue, black, and red. If you miss any classes, team will assist you, don't worry. They'll give you the classes which you have missed. Okay, then I need you to have atlas. Okay, for geography is all about maps. Atlas is mandatory, where you can purchase any atlas that you want. I don't have any objection to that. Remember, all atlas will not have all the things that are there. So all places will not be there in any one atlas. If you are purchasing newly, then look for Oxford Student Atlas. Okay. This is another important thing. I want you to have plain world map, guys. Plain world map. I want you to have at least 10. Plain world map basically means you will have, like, the world map picture plus countries in that. If you are attending again, guys, then no need of new notes. You can follow old notes and add few points. There's plain India map with states. Okay. India map with the states. I want you to have at least 30. Fine. Like, these must be available with you whenever you are sitting with geography class. Okay. So this would be studied in a very systematic manner, guys. In a scientific manner, it would be covered. So after this, what we will be doing is, the first basic aspect is, okay, in the notes. Okay, how will you get the notes? What need to be done for you? See, whichever booklet you take or whichever book you take, I want you to have clarity. The examination paper will be somewhere like this, and the gap will be approximately 16 centimeters. Okay, 16 centimeter. Now, for you to have a practice, at least in geography, my request is, whichever book you have, in that, consider 16 centimeter, and remaining place you give gap. Here, you can write additional information. And from where should you add additional information? NCERT. Okay. From NCERT, you should have additional information. Okay. Here you can write the notes that is dictated to you. I will be giving notes. Okay, I'll dictate the notes. You can write those dictated notes in this particular area. Okay. Why I'm doing this for you is, you will get an idea how much place will you have to draw a diagram. Geography is mostly made up of diagrams. Let's say, for example, you need to draw India map. The India map should not be more than this. Within this area in the book, you must be able to write India map, right? So to make you prepared for the examination answer writing, this is very, very essential for you. Okay. Then see, with respect to textbooks. Okay, with respect to textbooks, guys, according to UPSC, what they argue is the standard of UPSC is still 12th standards. Okay, the standard of UPSC is still 12th standard, and we should ensure that NCRTs will become the basic books for us. Okay, NCRT would become basic books for us. Most of the students don't understand. They all have a tendency to collect as many books as possible. But let me tell you, there is something called as standard books, and there is something called as reference books. Okay, now what is the difference, Alton? Now for geography, the standard books are NCERT. Yeah. Uh, Guys who have attended previous year batch classes, no need to attend again. Don't waste your time. Standard books, NCRT, from where to where? 6th to 12th standard. Let us talk about reference books. Reference books. Reference books are like, there is a book, Kuller, for Indian geography. Kuller for Indian geography. Majid Hussain is there. For, like, human geography. You have Savindra Singh. For physical geography. You also have a book called G.C. Leong. Okay. There is also a book called G.C. Leong. So these you need to, like, read as reference books. Now, my suggestion to you is do not read these books. Okay. Do not read these books. These are mostly for optionals. For GS, NCRT is more than enough. NCRT plus class notes is more than enough. You need not waste, like, these aspects. Don't waste your time in reading these. Okay. In the market and in different institutions, you will find these as reference books. Please don't waste your time in doing it. I have also checked PMF IAS books available in the market, that is also not required. Okay. So my thing is, read less, but read properly and clear the exam. Okay. Read less means I'm not telling don't read unnecessary things. We are there to assist you and help you in understanding what exactly you need to study. Okay. Now, okay. Uh, I have spoken for a while. Let me answer few questions of the students. Okay. Sir, difference in human geography and anthropology. Okay. See, when we talk about when we talk about human geography, I'm going to study about population. I'm going to talk about what we call as settlements. We are going to discuss about slums. Those type of aspects come under human geography. We don't talk about how a particular tribe is going to work. Okay, how a particular tribe is going to work, how are their culture, how man evolved, what are the genes of the man, how different people act differently. Those aspects you read in anthropology. Human geography is more about how man is utilizing geography for his own growth. For example, whenever there is very high temperature and high rainfall, okay, like equatorial region, right? So when you have equatorial region, in that equatorial region, you cannot have high population. Population will be less. If you have mountain, population will be less. If you have plains, population will be more. So we are going to study such type of data in human geography, and that too at optional level. GS level, it will be very, very minimal. Second, uh, someone was asking me with respect to, yeah, Maharashtra books should we read? Yes, I would prefer. I have seen Maharashtra syllabus, Odisha syllabus, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar syllabus and all. Most of the people are now moving towards NCRTs. Okay, most of them are moving towards NCRTs. Now, as most of the people are moving towards NCRTs, you people reading that particular books will not be helpful. If at all you are writing Maharashtra civil services, if you want to know about Maharashtra geography and those aspects, I would refer to you. Okay, fine, please go ahead with it. But that is not the case, right? You people will be preparing for UPSC there also. Let us say Maharashtra civil services also. If you're reading Indian geography, world geography and all, definitely you have to look into NCRTs itself. So don't replace NCRT for other books. Whether it is prelims or mains, ma'am, if you can look at the class notes plus NCRT, more than enough. No need to do other things. Okay, guys. So for a while, okay, let me tell you guys, uh, when majority of the people have network issue, I understand something wrong from my side, but sometimes individually you may be staying at different places. So you will be having those network issues, and let us keep the chat for discussion on these aspects of studies, else others will also be disturbed. Yeah. Abhi, NCRTs are only one. NCRTs are only one. Central government NCRTs, not state NCRTs. Poonam, optional, I'll tell, ma'am. Don't worry. We will be having optional as well. So there I'll tell, because these you can buy, but there are other books as well. Uh, no, Gitanjali, I was just talking about how human geography differs from anthropology. So don't worry about it. I didn't explain about the anthro part. Okay. Uh, See, guys, yes. So now, first I'll tell the syllabus, everyone. Okay. What exactly is the geography syllabus? I want you to make a note of this now. After this, I will tell which books, in which NCRT, which syllabus is there. That also I want you to make a note. And then we all will discuss about what we call as the NCRTs that you need to take and look into it. Okay. Yes, Poonam. Now, first, see guys, syllabus of geography. Okay. Syllabus of geography is divided into three parts: physical geography, economic geography, human geography. Okay. So, physical is basically divided into two. One is world physical geography. Another one is Indian physical geography. Okay. So, when we talk about world physical geography, I am going to study about different features present in the world called geomorphology. I'm going to talk about different activities that are going on in the atmosphere called climatology. I'm going to discuss about different aspects in the ocean called oceanography. Yes, on land, in the atmosphere, in the ocean, and where living organisms are present. Okay. Uh, Sandeep, not required. No need to go through it. These are the four books or four topics we have. Okay. Now, when it is about Indian, I need to study about space relations. I need to look at physiography of India. I need to look at climate of India, rivers, which we study under drainage systems and patterns, soils, and vegetation. So these are the 6 topics of Indian geography. Then comes economic geography, where you'll have agriculture, resources, industries, transportation, okay, human geography. You're more concerned about population and settlements. Applied geography is not part of uh, GS, but current affairs based application we will be studying. Fine. Everyone done? Now, this is the actual syllabus we have. Okay. Now you say sixth standard NCRT is for basics. Basics. Okay. Seventh standard NCRT seventh standard NCRT is mostly aimed at world physical geography. Yeah. Chinmay, it will be in geomorphology. Eighth NCRT will include, okay, eighth NCRT will include world human and economic geography. Okay. 9. NCRT is Indian physical geography. 10th NCRT is Indian human and economic geography. Okay. This is all about till 10th. Now, 11th standard NCRT, which is fundamentals of physical geography, is associated with world physical geography. World physical geography. 12th standard NCRT, fundamentals of human geography, is associated with world human geography. 11th standard, there is another NCRT book called India Physical. Okay. 11th NCRT, we have India Physical. 12th NCRT, you will have India Economic Geography. So guys, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, whatever you have, the same thing you have in 11th and 12th as well. Okay. Whatever you have in 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th, the same thing you have in 11th and 12th as well. Fine. So whenever you are reading 7th standard NCRT, you should read 11th NCRT also. Whenever you are reading 8th NCRT, you should also read 12th NCRT. 9th and 11th, tenth NCRT. Piyush, you can read only 11th and 12th, but 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th also have some additional factual data. So for those factual data, you should read at least once. Okay. So if you are smart enough, what you should do in 11th standard NCRT only, additional points of 7th you can add. 12th standard NCRT only, additional points of 8th you can add. Okay. So that there is nothing that you need to worry about. Fine. So guys, this is with respect to which NCRTs must be read for which topics. Okay. Hemil, I was telling, when you read 7th NCRT, you should read 11th NCRT. When you read 8th, you should read 12th, 9th and 11th, 10th and 12th. Now notes. Okay, note making is one of the point you people always want to see that. Okay, I'll come to note making. But did you get how to read NCRT? Which NCRT is connected with which one? It is just repetitions. Okay, whatever you read from 6th to 10th, you will be repeating again in 11th and 12th. Okay. Then geography syllabus. Geography syllabus is part of two things. Okay. One is in General Studies paper 1, where they talk about geography. Specifically, they talk about geography. General Studies paper 3, where there is economy as well, plus geography as well. Okay. So we call economic geography. These two are important ones. GS1 and GS3. Very, very important for you. Okay. Then with respect to geography, I want you to know the pattern of questions. Okay? Pattern of questions. The first basic aspect with respect to geography, what you need to focus is factual data. But the point is, factual data you should not by heart. You should not by heart, but that factual data will be completely conceptual. This is the trickiest part of this. Okay, this is the trickiest part in geography, where they will ask you a lot of factual data, but you can't by heart them because there is a lot to by heart, but you can answer with your conceptual clarity in this case. Trust me, the moment you get the concepts, it's easier. Second, geography is semi-science subject. Okay, lot of scientific things will be there in geography. As it is a semi-science subject, right? The basic problem we face with geography is, like, many people feel geography is technical, but it is not like science, but it is very little. Okay, so don't be scared that geography is completely technical. Very little technical will be there, but questions is always generals. No technicalities will be asked. Questions will be always general. And questions are always basics in geography. Okay? Then third, NCRT okay, NCRT, UPSC will copy paste questions. UPSC will copy paste questions. So mandatorily you have to, mandatorily you have to uh, do multiple revisions. Trust me, everyone, it's very, very difficult to remember if you don't revise multiple times. Just this year, guys, 8 questions were copy pasted from NCRT. Line to line, they just pick and drop. 11th standard NCRT alone, 8 questions have come directly this year. So I would say, if you are not reading NCRTs properly, then it's very difficult. Okay? Then previous year questions are mostly repetitives. Okay? Mostly repetitive previous year questions. But you see, let us say there is a question on June 21st. You can open NCRT book, okay, and you can see previous year questions also. From last 5 years, every year a question is asked on June 21st. Okay. And guys, how do you read previous year questions? Let us say you read about June 21st. Open 11th standard NCRT book. Open 11th standard NCRT book. And read completely. Read completely from that. Don't just read what is the question. Okay. You see, uh, earlier, what did they ask? On June 21st, like, where the sun's rays will be. Okay. Second, when will you have longest day? Okay. Third, when will you have longest day? First half of June, second half of June. Third, again they asked on June 21st, sun will not rise where? Again they asked this year, more than 12 hours, more than 12 hours, day will be present in which region? So like this, every time they're asking question on June 21st. So where should I read? I should read from PYQs. Okay, I should read from PYQs at any cost. Fine. So this is very, 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 very important for you. Fifth, guys, answer writing, mains questions. from geography? See guys. One is diagram. Another one is technical terms. Yes, Anjali. Disha is fine. Another one is technical terms. Okay, answer writing two things. Diagram is must and technical terms are must. In this case, you see, if there is a 10-mark question, at least you should do one diagram. 15-mark question, two diagrams. 20-mark question, three diagrams. Okay. And how marks will be divided, guys? In geography, marks is divided like this. Okay. One, or what do you call? 60% of the marks and 40% of the marks. 60% of the marks is for the content. 40% of the marks is for the diagram. Okay. So if it is a 10 marker, 6 marks you will get for content, 4 marks you will get for diagram. 15 marks. Okay. 20 marks like this, but 40% of the marks will always be given to this. Fine. Aryan, as we are in the class, like, as we deal with the topics, I'll give you a lot of diagrams. If you do that itself, practice it itself. Second, I have a question to you. With respect to max, okay, with respect to quant, max, is it good for you to, like, practice, or is it good for you to see max? Keep notes and keep seeing, or do you need to solve max? Practice. Same thing with respect to geography as well, guys. Diagrams needs to be practiced. If you are not practicing diagrams, in exam, the diagrams will be extremely pathetic. So because of that, whatever in the class that I cover, I would request you people to ensure that you're also doing them in a proper manner. Okay. I think Disha is there for all the publications only, guys. So that should be helpful for you. Anything more, guys? Okay. So you tell me any doubts if you have. And previous year publication, anything if you take, it's not a problem. Yeah. How to make notes from NCRTs? Yes. See, NCRT, as soon as I cover a topic, let us say I taught you agriculture topic from India. Okay, agriculture topic I covered from India. Okay, so what I want you people to do, immediately after that, open NCRT book and in the class notes, add examples. Okay, that is more than enough. Please don't think about answer writing as of now. First, start the subjects, understand the content, and then write answers. Okay. Strategy for prelims is, first, please understand what I want you to do. Complete the syllabus, read NCRTs, solve at least 2000 questions on geography alone. Okay, solve at least 2000 questions on geography alone. And that would change the perspective of yours, and you will be able to solve and understand as many topics as possible that is required for you. No, guys. No gist. Never take gist of any, like, faculties or institutions. No, not at all. Saurabh, we will be doing that along with the class. Class timings and all we will be telling you guys. Emil, I think NCRTs and all you will be getting it. Yeah, completely we will be covering geography, guys. Sanjana, geography we will be getting approximately, if I'm not wrong, 80 marks in paper 1 and approximately 40 marks in paper 3. New edition. Yes. Guys, first let classes start, because before class starting, if I start talking about how to write answers, it doesn't make sense. No need of any other books, guys. Trust me. You will also realize there is no need of any books. Sejal, Sambhavam, along with us, we will be always available for you. Okay. Guys, this is my number. You can text me on Telegram. Okay. Uh, I will respond and send you any additional information that you want. Okay. I would save the number, and in case in future, not only now, 2-3 years down the line also, if you have any issues, I'll be available. I'll save the numbers as Sambhavam students. Okay. See, yes, classes timings will depend upon availability of us. So uh, we will start the classes soon, guys. I just wanted to interact with all of you. First, have interaction with all the teachers and all. Offline is better. If you read newspaper offline, it's always better. Good. Guys, along with Sambhavam groups, like, additional information we will be giving in Telegram in this channel. You can join the group for current affairs related to geography, environment, and international relations. Hindu newspaper is enough. Anything else, guys? You have specific doubts? The Hindu is enough, guys. Offline, if you have Hindu, that's more than enough. Yeah, Anjali. Sambhavam team will be having separate classes for current affairs as well. So don't worry. Sure, guys. In that Telegram channel, within 1 or 2 days, I'll send all the PDFs of geography. You can take it from there. Uh, this year, approximately 20 questions came from geography. Guys, handwritten notes of geography, NCRT PDFs, of geography, class wise will be uploaded here. You can take. Uh, Saho, we will be teaching you that slowly, ma'am. It will take some time for you to understand how to interlink. Aryan, economic geography is basically, let us say from Earth we get minerals. How are we trying to, collect these minerals and use? That the team will take care, guys. I'm not sure. No need of any other book or NCRTs. Apart from this, nothing else. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Divyanshi, yes, I will be doing that. No need of magazines, guys. No need of magazines. Mains also almost same, guys. Don't worry. Yes. Yeah. We'll meet, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.